As compared to animals, the transportation is much simpler in plants. So, today what we are going to study is transportation in plants. In the case of plants, the transportation of many materials can take place through a simple physical process, that is diffusion. Secondly, in the case of plants, the process is very slow. The transportation of material is faster in the animals. Now, why is it slow in plants, and how will plants cope? You see, plants are mainly made up of dead cells. Secondly, they do not move, so they have low energy requirement, and that is why they can easily manage even with the slow transportation rate. Now, in the case of plants, and again, there is no organ system which is responsible for transportation, but there are specialized tissue which are responsible for transportation. These tissues are called vascular tissue. Vascular tissues are complex in nature. Now, what does complex mean here? Otherwise, we were saying the simple system is very simple, but complex tissue means when a tissue is made up of more than one type of cells. So, vascular tissue, which is of two types, xylem and phloem, is made up of four types of cells. Xylem is responsible for transportation of water and minerals, while phloem is responsible for transportation of food. So, we will write here water and minerals and food. Now, getting into the structure of xylem. Xylem is made up of vessels, tracheids. Now, both of them are actually responsible for transportation of water and minerals, but tracheids are mainly responsible in case of non-flowering plants like ferns, but angiosperms have more vessels and water transportation takes place through vessels. They also have tracheids, but they are much less in number. Third type of cell is xylem fiber. These are dead thick walled cells and they are also called xylem sclerenchyma. Fourth is xylem parenchyma. Only xylem parenchyma is living while these three are dead. So, this is how water moves from vessels from one end to the other. What is one end? The roots to the all other parts, mainly the leaves where photosynthesis is going to take place. So, after this we will come to phloem.